Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Lando072, and we're back with another crypto video. This is one of the most important videos. Today, we're talking about Bitcoin and my Bitcoin price prediction. So, as you can see, I have here Bitcoin in the 1 hour chart. We'll go first, prediction for the short term. As you can see, this is bouncing around in this between these two lines. Is going to keep bouncing around, and I predict it'll bounce out of this resistance that we have right here at $71,500. As you can see, it's been hitting this resistance and this support at 63,100. It's been hitting these two these two resistances, this resistance and this support. As you can see, it's hitting my Fibonacci resistance perfectly. It hit it right here, like really perfectly, and it bounced back down. So once we go above 72,000, it's gonna explode, and the next target is $90,000, which is my first price target, in which I'm gonna sell 20% of the Bitcoin I have. I'm gonna sell at 90,000, and then the rest I'm gonna sell like 20 to 30% at 90,000, depends on the TA that I have, and then I'm gonna sell 50 to 60% or 50 to 70% of the rest of my Bitcoin once we reach 102,000. So this is my price prediction according to my Fibonacci retracement levels. My price prediction is $101,000. But first off, let's go. Let's list the reasons why Bitcoin is the best investment you can make in your life right now. It's the best thing you can buy right now. First off, Bitcoin, you can buy it at any price. Buying it at any price is a good investment. There's a technology that is one of a kind. Like, you can send money anonymously to anyone from anywhere in the world, almost instantly, without barely any fees, and it solves so many problems, right? Then this is literally like electronic gold. The crypto right now is like the internet in the 2000s. So if you get in right now, it's like investing into the internet in the 2000s. Imagine the return on that. So the return is huge. I personally will always keep about 20,000 of my Bitcoin, because I bought Bitcoin really cheap, about 20,000. Right now, my Bitcoin profit from my first purchase is 242%, more or less. And as you can see over here, it broke this trend line. It broke it and it went right up, so that was a perfect trend line. And then there was this trend line and it broke below it, and then it went completely down, so that's another trend line that worked perfectly. It was bouncing around these two trend lines, or this resistance and support trend lines, and it broke right here, so it's gonna go down. So I predict the same thing here. If it breaks down below this trend line, it's gonna keep going down, maybe hit the $63,000 mark. If it breaks above this line, it's gonna go up, and hopefully above the 71,000 resistance, and hopefully above the 72,000 resistance line of the Fibonacci retracement. So yeah, let's keep saying the reasons why you should buy Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is pumping right now because of the Bitcoin ETF, which basically is exchange traded funds, which is a way where it's a thing where hedge fund, let's say like BlackRock, which is one of the companies that so BlackRock is the biggest asset manager in the world that has $9 trillion of assets under management, and they made a Bitcoin ETF this January 2024, and people from Wall Street, normal people, are able to invest into Bitcoin through this ETF. And this is the reason why it's been pumping, because it's new people that are very established, people that have old money, people that invest in Wall Street that have been investing in Bitcoin through the ETF of BlackRock and other ETFs such as the Fidelity ETF. For example, this news says Bitcoin ETF hit record volume as single day high of 612 million pours into BlackRock. So $612 million poured into BlackRock's ETF of Bitcoin. $612 million poured into Bitcoin in one day, right? So one single day. And then here you can see my crypto Instagram page. And here you can see one of the news I posted. Spot Bitcoin ETFs accumulated over 35 billion worth of Bitcoin since January. So $35 billion have gone into Bitcoin since January because of this ETF. So this is why Bitcoin is pumping, and also because the Bitcoin ETF, Bitcoin halving is happening in April in about like 15 days. I think April 20th it's gonna happen. Every time the Bitcoin halving happens, the price of right after, the price of Bitcoin skyrockets every single time. Every single time. Let's see this picture, right? So here you can see this picture there. So Bitcoin halving, and then it blows up. Bitcoin halving, then it blows up. Bitcoin halving, Bitcoin blows up. So this is why people are also buying right now. The Bitcoin halving is going to happen soon. This is why right now is the best time you can buy Bitcoin. You really need to go out, panic. If you do not have Bitcoin, you have to panic and go buy as much Bitcoin as you can, right? This is the best asset you can hold in your portfolio. It's the best performing asset you can have. Last year was a bad year for crypto, and I still made 120% on my Bitcoin purchase, and I only purchased Bitcoin, right? So I made the best purchase possible. Right now, so another chart that never misses is the Bitcoin Rainbow price chart that I have right here. As you can see, here are the colors and what they mean. So right now we're in green. As you can see, we're in green, so that means accumulate, right? So it means we have to buy as much Bitcoin as possible. Once we're hitting the orange and red levels in this chart, we have to start selling. So we're not there. You can see we're right here right now. So this looks like a really good time to buy. As I said, my price prediction is 102,000. In the daily, I expect right now, we already had a pullback, but we're doing higher lows, which is better. As long as we're doing higher lows, this is a bullish trend. So I think we're very bullish in the 1 day chart, and right here we connected. So I think we're gonna go back up, maybe go down to hit this trend line right here again. We go back down here to hit this trend line, and then we go up, but definitely very bullish right now. Right now, it might be too late soon. You might be too late to buy Bitcoin soon, so you better go and buy Bitcoin as soon as you see this video. As long as you're buying right before the Bitcoin halving, I think you're still okay to buy. It's still a good time to buy. But yeah, Bitcoin is the best thing, the best technology you can buy right now. I will sell at 90K, and then I will sell at 101,000. These are my price predictions. As you can see, here's my Fibonacci that I did. And yeah, it goes up to 101,000. I think that's everything I need to cover so far. Yeah, you can go check out my Instagram and go buy Bitcoin. I recommend you have the number one asset in your portfolio should be Bitcoin, and you should go buy as much as you can. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and stay posted.